I chose VMI because I wanted something different. I didn't want to do the regular college thing. And then going to my senior year of high school, got a Marine Corps scholarship. So I was really looking for any avenue that'd make me the best I'd be whenever I commissioned. Seeing myself as a regimental commander, it's a really surreal feeling. I've learned that I can really handle a lot more than what I thought I could, and I can handle balancing like multiple things at once, because usually in this role, like, I'm not only a student, I'm not only a midshipman in Marine Corps ROTC, but doing this role, a bunch of people like need stuff from me throughout the day. So it's kind of like a lot of my time isn't really my own. And being able to balance that, I think, would be really good to whenever I get a platoon and my Marines need me. Then I'll be able to dedicate more of my time to them and be able to be invested in kind of their growth as well. I feel like the brotherhood of VMI, like, I have friends in barracks right now that are my roommates that I know that will be in my wedding and like my best friends for life. It's really true, the motto we have, through shared suffering. I think the most powerful thing about being a part of VMI brotherhood is that it's not what you look like, it's not where you're from, it's not any of those things that don't matter, but it's one people, like one community, based upon what we believe, based upon our shared goals, our shared ambitions, and that everybody comes here no matter if you're rich, poor, no matter what color your skin you're from, or no matter what ethnicity, and we can become brothers, and we can learn to say, I've got your back. Where I'm at today is somewhere I didn't see myself at whenever I first applied here. And then I know the lessons that I've learned here, they're gonna do me very well in the future. And I still can't even kind of see like all the good things that have come from this decision yet. So I just encourage people to just have an open mind and just imagine the sky is the limit here, because whenever you come here, you put your all into it day in, day out, then you really will get that back in spades. It's the hardship, the struggle, it's the daily life that we have to live here, the rigors of it. That makes me proud to say I'm from VMI. I'm proud to know that what we're doing here isn't ordinary, it isn't easy, but it's worth it. The lifestyle is tough, but it's kind of like the work hard, play hard, and then with the people that we have around us, it gives us the feeling that we can do anything as long as like an us, a together kind of thing. The more you put into it, the more you'll get out of it. And you will never be able to understand just how far you can climb, just how high you can rise to, just how incredible this is until you just take the risk and you just try it. I'm Cadet Devin Auzenne, and I am VMI.